Introduction. Welcome to our journey through some of the most beautiful villages and small towns in Europe. In this video, we'll take you on a scenic adventure, exploring charming locations that often fly under the radar but are bursting with character and breathtaking views. From the cobblestone streets of quaint hamlets to the stunning landscapes that surround them, each destination has its own unique story to tell. We'll highlight picturesque spots that showcase Europe's rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning architecture. Whether you're dreaming of a peaceful getaway or seeking inspiration for your next travel itinerary, this video is designed to spark your wanderlust and ignite your passion for exploration. Imagine sipping coffee in a sun-drenched square, wandering through flower-filled gardens, or enjoying a sunset over a serene lake. These are the experiences that await you in these hidden gems. As we delve into each village and town, we'll share fascinating insights and tips to help you appreciate the local charm and traditions. You'll discover places that are not just beautiful but also steeped in history, where every corner reveals a new surprise. So, grab your passport and get ready to be inspired. Whether you're planning your next vacation or simply daydreaming from the comfort of your home, we invite you to join us on this enchanting tour of Europe's most captivating small towns and villages. Let's uncover the beauty that lies beyond the bustling cities and explore the serene side of European travel together. The charm of Hallstatt, Austria. Nestled between the serene waters of Lake Hallstatt and the towering Dachstein Mountains, the village of Hallstatt is a true gem of Austria. This picturesque location is renowned for its unique architecture, featuring charming wooden houses that cling to the mountainside, creating a postcard-perfect scene. The narrow streets, lined with vibrant flowers and quaint shops, invite visitors to wander and soak in the breathtaking views that surround them. Hallstatt is not just about stunning visuals, it also boasts a rich history tied to salt production, which dates back over 7,000 years. The salt mines, one of the oldest in the world, offer guided tours that delve into the fascinating process of salt extraction and its significance to the village's economy and culture. This historical backdrop has earned Hallstatt its UNESCO World Heritage status, recognizing its cultural importance and the preservation of its unique heritage. For those seeking adventure, Hallstatt offers a variety of activities that allow you to fully appreciate its natural beauty. Take a leisurely boat ride on the crystal-clear lake, where you can enjoy panoramic views of the village and the surrounding mountains. If you're feeling more adventurous, hiking trails lead you into the majestic peaks, offering breathtaking vistas and a chance to connect with nature. Whether you're exploring the charming streets, learning about its salt mining history, or enjoying outdoor activities, Hallstatt is a destination that captivates the heart and soul, making it a must-visit for anyone traveling through Austria. Discovering Civita di Bagnoregio, Italy. Perched atop a hill in the Italian region of Lazio, Civita di Bagnoregio is a breathtaking town often referred to as the dying town, due to its precarious position on a crumbling cliff. This enchanting village offers stunning views of the surrounding valleys and hills, creating a picturesque backdrop that seems straight out of a fairy tale. The dramatic landscape, with its steep cliffs and lush greenery, provides visitors with a sense of tranquility and awe as they explore its ancient streets. Civita di Bagnoregio has a rich history that dates back to the Etruscans, and its preservation has become a vital focus for local authorities and residents. Efforts to maintain the town's unique architecture and cultural heritage are ongoing, as erosion and natural elements threaten its existence. The result is a beautifully preserved village that showcases medieval structures, charming piazzas, and narrow cobblestone paths, allowing visitors to step back in time. As you wander through Civita di Bagnoregio, you'll discover delightful artisan shops and local cuisine that reflect the region's culinary traditions. Indulge in handmade pasta, rich cheeses, and local wines that tantalize the taste buds. The town's small eateries offer authentic dishes made from fresh, locally sourced ingredients, providing a true taste of Italian culture. Civita di Bagnoregio is not just a destination, it's an experience that combines stunning views, rich history, and delicious cuisine, making it a must-visit for anyone exploring Italy. The fairy tale village of Giethoorn, Netherlands. Welcome to Giethoorn, a picturesque village often referred to as the Venice of the North. Famous for its serene canals and absence of traditional roads, Giethoorn offers a unique boating experience that transports visitors into a fairy tale setting. Here, the gentle sounds of water lapping against the sides of boats create a peaceful atmosphere, inviting you to unwind and soak in the beauty of your surroundings. As you glide through the tranquil waterways, you'll be captivated by the charming thatched roof houses that line the canals. These quaint homes, adorned with colorful flowers and lush greenery, reflect the village's rich history and traditional Dutch architecture. The idyllic scenery is perfect for leisurely exploration, whether you choose to rent a whisperboat, a silent electric-powered vessel, or simply stroll along the wooden footbridges that connect the village. Giethoorn is also a pioneer in eco-friendly tourism practices, making it a model for sustainable travel. The village encourages visitors to embrace environmentally conscious choices, such as using electric boats and bicycles to minimize their carbon footprint. Local businesses promote sustainable practices, ensuring that the natural beauty of Giethoorn is preserved for future generations to enjoy. Whether you're navigating the serene canals, admiring the picturesque homes, or engaging in eco-friendly activities, Giethoorn offers a magical escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. This enchanting village is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking tranquility and a connection to nature in the heart of the Netherlands. Exploring Yze, France. Nestled high above the sparkling waters of the Mediterranean Sea, the picturesque village of Yze offers breathtaking views that will leave you in awe. As you wander through its narrow, winding streets, you'll be treated to panoramic vistas that stretch across the azure coastline, making it a perfect spot for photography and reflection. The dramatic cliffs and lush landscapes surrounding Yze create a stunning backdrop that enhances the village's charm. One of the highlights of Yze is its enchanting exotic gardens, known as the Jardin Exotique. This beautifully landscaped garden is home to a variety of unique plants and cacti, providing a serene oasis where visitors can relax and enjoy the stunning views. The garden also features sculptures and art installations that add to its artistic ambiance, making it a delightful place to explore. Yze is also famous for the Fragonard Perfumery, where you can discover the art of perfume making. A visit to this historic establishment offers a fascinating glimpse into the world of fragrance, with guided tours that explain the intricate process of creating perfumes. You can even create your own scent to take home as a unique souvenir. With its rich history and artistic vibe, Yze has long been a source of inspiration for artists and writers alike. The village's medieval architecture and vibrant culture create an atmosphere that is both enchanting and inviting. Whether you're enjoying the stunning views, exploring the exotic gardens, or indulging in the world of perfume, Yze is a captivating destination that embodies the beauty and charm of the French Riviera. The coastal beauty of Positano, Italy. Welcome to Positano, a breathtaking coastal town that captures the essence of the Amalfi Coast with its vibrant atmosphere and stunning views. Known for its colorful cliffside houses that cascade down to the sparkling blue waters of the Mediterranean, Positano is a visual feast that enchants every visitor. The picturesque beach, with its golden sands and inviting waves, serves as the perfect backdrop for sunbathing, swimming, or simply soaking in the beauty of this idyllic setting. As you stroll through the charming streets of Positano, you'll discover a delightful array of local cuisine that reflects the region's rich culinary heritage. Indulge in fresh seafood dishes, homemade pasta, and the famous limoncello, a lemon liqueur that embodies the flavors of the Amalfi Coast. The local restaurants offer a warm and inviting atmosphere, where you can savor authentic Italian meals while enjoying breathtaking views of the coastline. Shopping in Positano is a unique experience, with boutiques and artisan shops showcasing handmade ceramics, stylish clothing, and exquisite local crafts. The vibrant markets and charming storefronts invite you to explore and find the perfect souvenir to remember your visit. Positano is also renowned as a romantic getaway destination, attracting couples seeking a picturesque escape. The enchanting sunsets, intimate dining options, and stunning scenery create an atmosphere of love and tranquility. Whether you're enjoying a leisurely walk along the beach, dining under the stars, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Positano offers an unforgettable experience that captures the heart and soul of Italy's coastal beauty. Conclusion. As we wrap up our journey through some of the most beautiful villages and small towns in Europe, let's take a moment to reflect on the key highlights from each enchanting destination. We explored Hallstatt, Austria, with its stunning lakeside views and rich salt mining history, inviting you to experience its unique charm. In Civita di Bagnoregio, Italy, we uncovered the captivating beauty of this ancient village, perched on a hill and known for its eco-friendly tourism practices. Giethoorn, Netherlands, offered a serene escape with its picturesque canals and thatched roof houses, while Yves, France, dazzled us with its breathtaking Mediterranean views and fragrant perfumery. Finally, we marveled at the coastal beauty of Positano, Italy, where vibrant cliffside houses and delicious local cuisine create a romantic atmosphere. These destinations are not just places to visit, they are experiences waiting to be had. Each village and town has its own unique story, culture, and charm that beckons travelers to explore and immerse themselves in their beauty. We encourage you to consider these hidden gems for your next adventure, as they promise unforgettable memories and a deeper connection to the heart of Europe. If you enjoyed this journey and want to discover more travel content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Your support helps us continue to bring you inspiring stories and guides from around the world. Thank you for joining us, and happy travels.